Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and install vzp100101, which is the exhaust system for the V6 on the Challenger. So we're gonna go ahead and take a take on that, and then hopefully that's gonna be an easy install for you guys to do at home or body shop.
So the first step, what you want to do is you want to crack these loose. These are going to be of size 15, and once you get them loose, you're ready to take them off. Now you get those clamps loose on the front. You're going to want to get your size 13, and you're going to want to loosen up these right here. Alright, for the next step, you're going to want to remove the bracket for the hangers that are up here. It should be a size 13. Okay, for the next step is we're going to be removing these size 15 right here, which is the same thing as well as the hanger bracket. We're going to be removing those.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and place the X pipe. And that should give you enough clearance on the top, so you shouldn't be rubbing into the top part. If you do, you're gonna hear rattling noise inside when you're driving. For these little pieces, you wanna make sure the flat side is by the pipe, so they're not like the other way around, or else you're gonna damage the flat side of it. You could go ahead and place the clamps on the pipe, or you could put it on here and then put it on, either or. The hanger goes into the rubber, so it hangs there, and you could like move it. You could be sliding the exhaust, so you want to leave everything loose, and then once everything is in place, then you start tightening up the clamps. So we're gonna loosen up this hanger, that hanger, so it's easier to place it into these hangers. Oh, the same thing that we did on one side, we're gonna do on the other side. once you have placed all the pieces on there and you have played around with the placement you want to set it up to, you're gonna go ahead and start tightening it up to close up the clamps. So now that we're done with the exhaust system, which will be the vzp100101, we're gonna go ahead and upgrade the tips with some extra big 9-inch. Or you could get 8.5, which is a little bit smaller, or you could get the 5-inch, the ceramic black. If you don't want the whole exhaust system, you do have the option of just buying the tip. Or you could get the exhaust system and just use your original OEM exhaust tips. So you just want to position it wherever you would like it to be aligned to, and then you just tighten it up. So for the 5-inch, you might need an extension. So you put this in first. Of course, you would have a clamp in there, and then you would put this in here. You can put it more in if you want. So as a wrap on the exhaust tips on the exhaust system, like I said, you do have the option of buying the exhaust tips or just the exhaust system or the combo. It really does give it a nice look. Make sure to like and subscribe, leave comments below, any questions, concerns, let us know. These do run out fast, so if you do place an order and they end up in back order, it's because you didn't get there fast enough.